From time to time, you will come across radicals that don't simplify at all beyond their decimal equivalent. Square root of 721 is an example. So we'll go to the calculator, we will attack the problem with square roots, and we will look for the telltale sign of a square root that does not simplify. 721 divided by 4 produces a decimal number. 721 divided by 9 produces a decimal number. Divided by 16, decimal number. Divided by 25, decimal number. Divided by 36, decimal number. Divided by 49, decimal number. Divided by 64, 8 times 8, still not a whole number. 9 times 9 would be to divide by 81, not a whole number. Divided by 100, that's obviously not going to work. So I keep dividing by perfect squares, but every time I end up with a decimal number and not a whole number, this is how I know that I cannot simplify this into radical form. There's 11 times 11. Here's 12 times 12. It gets close, but it's got to be exact. And you could go all the way up as big as you wanted. But at some point, once you get to half the size of the number, for example, 20 times 20 is 400, but 400 is more than half of 721, so you can stop. In fact, you probably don't even need to get that large. But yeah, there you go. That's what you need to look for. If those answers are not whole numbers, no matter how many different perfect squares you divide by, then you're probably looking at one that does not simplify.